Very good morning, children. Welcome back to the session. Today, we will continue the remaining part of the lesson, keyboard and its keys. Okay, children, part 2. So in the previous video classes, you have learned about the types of keys, isn't it, children? Like alphabet keys, and also you have learned about the number keys. And also you have learned about the arrow keys. Okay, children? And you have learned about the cursor. So what is the cursor, children? A small blinking line seen on the screen is cursor. Okay, children? So today, you will learn about some of the special keys in this session. So now let us see enter key. Okay, children? So now this is keyboard, children. You can see this is enter key. So enter key is most commonly used key on the keyboard. Okay, children? Observe the keyboard carefully. You can see the enter key. The blue colored keys are enter keys. So there are 2 enter keys on a keyboard. So how many enter keys are there, children? There are 2 enter keys on a keyboard. So what is the use of the enter key? So enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. Okay, children. So as shown in the picture, you can see, children. See the picture on the monitor, you can see. So enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. So after typing mouse, M-O-U-S-E mouse, if you want to bring the cursor to the next line, or if you want to type on the next line, you have to press the enter key. So enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line. Okay, children? So the enter key comes in different shapes. So you can see on the keyboard, there are 2 enter keys on the keyboard, children. So both are different, both have different shapes, both are in different shapes. So, and it is most commonly used key on the keyboard. So whenever you want to start, want to type in a fresh new line, you can use enter key. You have to press enter key. Okay, children. So that's about the enter key. Now let us see another special key, space bar key. So if you see the keyboard, the blue colored key is space bar key, children. So it can be easily identified. So how, children, can you tell me? Yes, is the longest key on the keyboard. So space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard, children. So can you tell me what is the use of this? Yes, it is used to give space between words or letters. So wherever you need space, you have to press the space bar. So as you're giving finger gap in your notebook while writing, when you write, you'll give finger gap, isn't it, children? Between the words or letters. So in the same way, in computer, also you can give gap between words and sentences by using the space bar key. So if you press the space bar key, it gives space between words or any letters or between the numbers, wherever you want. So wherever the space is required, if you press space bar key, so you can give space between the letters or words. Okay, children? So that is about space bar key. So now let us see the next special key, backspace key. Okay, children. So you can see backspace key, the keyboard, the blue colored key is backspace key, children. So backspace key acts as an eraser. Computer, children. Works like an eraser in the computer. Okay, children. So when you write, sometimes you may make mistake, isn't it? Then you will take an eraser and you'll erase it. In the same way, if you make any mistake in the computer, means while typing, so in the computer also you can erase by using the backspace. So backspace key works like an eraser. So if you press the backspace key, it erases the letters. Okay, children. So how it will erase? So it erases the letters one by one. So one by one, if you press one time, only one letter will be erased. Okay, children. See, you can see this example. Suppose you have typed the spelling keyboard. So by mistake, you have typed U. So you want to erase U. Okay, children. So in the notebook means how you will erase. You will simply take an erase and you will rub it, erase it, isn't it? So in the computer, how to erase U? You can take the help with the help of a backspace key. You can erase U. You can see a cursor. Can you see the cursor, children, as shown in the picture? So we can erase the letters one by one from the left of the cursor. So left side, which letter is there, children? U. Okay, children. So you have to, when the cursor is there, you can erase the letters from the left of the cursor. So backspace key erases the letters from the left of the cursor. Okay, children. So when you press the backspace key, only one letter will be erased. Okay, children. So you have to remember the backspace key is used to erase letters left of the cursor. Okay, children, as shown in the picture. Now, let us see another special key, delete key. So this delete key is also an eraser. So there are two erasers in the computer, children, on keyboard. So one is backspace key and another one is delete key. So what is the difference, children? Both are erasers. Then what is the difference? You can see here, children. Again, the same example I have taken. See the cursor position. Okay, children. So the letters, we can erase the letters one by one from the right of the cursor. So a backspace key is used to erase the letter left of the cursor. And a delete key is used to erase the letters from the right of the cursor. That is the difference between children. One is this delete key is used to erase the right of the cursor, and backspace key is used to erase the letters left of the cursor. Okay, children. And there are two delete keys on the keyboard, children. You can see blue colored keys. There are two delete keys on the keyboard. Okay, children. Now, let us do some exercises based on the lesson, children. Pick the correct answer. So here some questions are given and options are given. Only three options are given, children. Only one is correct answer. So you have to put a tick mark for the right answer. Okay, children. So we will start now. The first one. What are the buttons on the keyboard called? So tell me, children, the first one is ring, second one is buttons, the third option is keys. So what is the correct answer, children? Yes, keys. So the buttons on the keyboard are called keys. Very good. Now, let us see the next one. What are the keys with numbers 0 to 9 marked called? So I have already explained you in the previous video class. What are those keys called, children? First option is alphabet keys, second is number keys, and third option is backspace key. What is the answer, children? Yes, number keys. So the keys with numbers 0 to 9 are called as number keys. The next one. Which is the longest key on a keyboard? So just now I have explained, children. Can you tell me? The first option is spacebar key. The second one is backspace key. The third is enter key. So what is the answer, children? Yes, spacebar key. So the spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. Okay, children. This spacebar key is used to give space between words and letters. Okay, the next question. Which key helps in erasing a letter from the left of the cursor? So just now I had told you, children, left of the cursor. So which key is used to erase from left of the cursor? The first option is enter key. Second one is backspace key. The third option is spacebar key. So what is the right answer? Yes, backspace key. The next one, which of the following keys do we use to move the cursor? So can you tell me, children, which of the keys are used to move the cursor? The first one is arrow keys. Second option is alphabet keys. And the third option is number keys. So the answer is arrow keys. Very good. Now let us do one more exercise. Match the following. So here some keys are given, children, and you have to match those keys, children. The first one is alphabet keys. So now tell me, where are alphabet keys, children? Yes, the last. Very good. The second one is backspace key. Can you identify the backspace key, children? It is marked as back arrow. So backspace key, the back arrow key is backspace. Very good. The next one is enter key. Where is enter key, children? The second one. Yes, very good. Then number keys. So you can easily identify, children, the numbers, number keys. Very good. Then the space bar key. So the longest key on the keyboard, space bar key. Match it. Okay, now let us do one more exercise. Mark a tick for the correct statement and cross for the wrong statement. So here some statements are given, children. You have to read the statements, and if it is correct, you have to put a tick mark. And if the statement is incorrect, you have to put a cross mark. Okay, children? So we will start. The first one. The keyboard looks like a television. Is it true, children? Is it correct? No. So you have to put a cross mark. The next one. Alphabet keys are used to type numbers. Is it correct, children? What are alphabets? A to Z letters are alphabets. So these keys are used to type alphabets, not numbers. These are not number keys. Okay, children. So that's why it is wrong. You have to put a cross mark. Third one. Keys that have letters on them are called number keys. So is it true, children? Is it correct? So the number keys will have numbers, not letters. So it is wrong. So you have to put a cross mark. The next one. The spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. Is it true, children? Yes. The longest key on the keyboard is spacebar. Put a tick mark. The next one. The enter key is used to move cursor to the next line. So as I already told you, enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line. So it is correct. Okay, children? Hope you have understood. Now, let us do one more exercise. You can see this boy is flying a kite. So he is Aryan. Aryan is flying a kite having lots of letters on it. So if you observe the kite has many letters on it. So what you have to do, borrow some of the letters from his kite to complete the names of the different keys of a keyboard. So here different keys of a keyboard are given here, children. So you have to borrow some letters from the kite and you have to fill this. Okay, children? So we will start. So now see the first one and tell me what is it, children? What is it? It is alphabet. So A-L-P-H-A-B-T. Alphabet keys. Okay. Now, see the next one. Can you tell me what is it? Yes, the second one is number keys. So what is the spelling of number? N-U-M-B-E-R. Number keys. Okay, the next one. Yes, space bar key. S-P-A-C-E space B-A-R bar. K-E-Y key. Space bar key. The next one. Backspace key. B-A-C-K back. S-P-A-C-E space K-E-Y key. Backspace key. Children, now see the last one. Enter key. E-N-T-E-R. Enter. K-E-Y key. Enter key. Okay, children. So that's all for today. Here is a small assignment for you all. Write any 3 special keys on the keyboard. So you have to write any 3 special keys on the keyboard, children. Meet you again in the next video class. Thank you and have a nice day.